Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Joey and I'm going to be bringing you a fun little plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. And I'm going to be planning for the month of January in here using my Sweet Kawaii Designs kit. And I'm going to dig that out real quick. But if that sounds like something that you are interested in watching, then stay tuned. Alright, this is my Sweet Kawaii Designs kit that I have for the month of January. This one is for the Hobonichi weeks. She has several different sizes in her shop. She has Erin Condren size, she has A5, she has I think a Print Impressions, a Hobonichi Weeks, a Hobonichi Cousin, a B6, like you name it, she's got it. It's very, very versatile, and so I really enjoy her stickers. Her stickers are actually vinyl. They are, you have to write on them with either a ballpoint pen or some kind of a fine point permanent marker. I use both a ballpoint and I use a Sharpie fine point marker as well. So I write with these on her stickers. Both of these work. Just a regular ballpoint or a Sharpie, or I think there's also something called microperm. A microperm pen, I think, is what she recommends on her shop. So anyways, those are things that you can use to write on her stickers. I wish you guys could smell. I'm so weird. I'm smelling the sticker. I wish you could smell these stickers through the camera. Like, I wish there was smell-o-vision, because these stickers take me back to when I was trick-or-treating as a kid. I don't know. I'm definitely showing my age when I say this. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the washi for January as I'm talking to you. But basically, the kits when I was really young were basically like a shower curtain vinyl. They were hot as all get out, but anyways, and you could barely breathe in the masks, but they had a very distinct smell. It's a smell that never really goes away from your memory, and that is the smell of these stickers. They smell like, you know, like a shower curtain liner, or like the actual Halloween costumes when you're a kid, if you're my age. Sorry if you're not, and I'm definitely dating myself. But anyway, it's actually a sweet memory, and I really don't mind that smell, but but it definitely makes me laugh thinking about it. Anyways, so these stickers, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to get down closer. I hope my big fat head doesn't go into the frame. But these stickers are, like I said, they're a vinyl, and so they are a dream to work with when you are laying them down on the Hobonichi paper, because I feel like they lay down so easily, and then they also peel up super easy. So if you like lay it down crooked, it's really not a huge deal because they come right up, and it's amazing. I'm gonna flip this around again. I really like the colors of her kits. I found this past year, as I was planning in my Erin Condren, as consistently as I was with sticker kits, that I really enjoy the pastels in my planners. I just like those lighter colors, and I think finding that groove that I enjoy for that was good, because now I know what I like, and pretty much most of her kits have like a lighter color scheme to them, which I really enjoy. So I'm just laying down the weekly days at the top. And then I will lay down the numbers. And then with every monthly, she gives these adorable days, like special holidays. They're so cute, you guys. I can't wait to show you. But first I gotta get this part down, and then I will show you. thing that I want to do, and I want to show you. Sweet Kawaii Design adds these in your monthly, and also if you do like the subscription kit, she'll throw these in as well. But these are, there's something special for each day of the month, and so they do it for every single day. For first is Hangover Day, and then Cream Puff Day, Chocolate Covered Cherry, Spaghetti Day, Whipped Cream Day, Cuddle Up Day, Tempura Day, Bubble Bath Day. So you get the idea, just cute little things. And I actually just really enjoy putting these on each day. I think they're adorable. So I'm gonna keep doing that because I think that's cute. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and stick my monthly back in. Let's see, make sure I've got everything. I've got 2 appointments this month, and that's really it so far. I'm not really marking anything yet for work. I can mark down that school returns on Monday the 4th. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is a pencil. This little pencil would be cute, just to mark that school is in session. All right, and that's really all I have right now for this month. It's pretty bare, not very busy right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this plan with me and you would like to see more, then I invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and that way you can continue receiving my content. And I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.